Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create shortcuts on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. One Snapchat feature that's become an integral part of user everyday lives is Snap Streak. It's fun sharing Snap or keeping streak with your circle of friends, but it gets tiring selecting each friend to send a snap to. So Snapchat noticed and have given us shortcuts to create a unique Snap Streak. Now, how to do it so simple. To create a shortcut chat on Snapchat is you can just open your Snapchat and you can go to the message section, tap on the message section. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here, and you'll find there is an option new shortcut. You can just tap on that. You can choose on your friends that you want to create the shortcut with. You can choose emoji or enter the name. I will choose emoji to create the shortcut like this. For example, now you can just tap on create shortcut. Or you can only choose single emoji, this one. So now you have create shortcut chat on your Snapchat, so you can just tap on here. So here's your friend and the shortcut. So simple, right? So that is how to create shortcut on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.